Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this wireless keyboard, and the brand is the Tecknet. So I bought this keyboard from Amazon for around 10 pounds. So I don't expect crazy thing about this. Obviously it's under budget, so that's why. And it's actually a small keyboard. How is all good. So it's a small keyboard, and also here's some instruction manual how to use it, and also the small warranty of this product. Nothing important. So let's open this thing. So here you're gonna find the power button, and here you're gonna find the battery, where you have to put the battery on that, obviously, and of course there's the USB. Keep in mind this is not Bluetooth keyboard, this is wireless keyboard, so you have to connect this USB to your computer. So there we go. I'm gonna take it out, and I'm gonna put a battery on that. I'm gonna test it out, this keyboard, right now. And as you can see, this is the UK layout. UK US is very similar, so there's no difference. So yeah, and you're not gonna find the side side number. Like there's also, I'm gonna show you an example. My keyboard, this one, you're gonna find like numbers on that, obviously left, but then this one doesn't include the number, because this is a small keyboard, like iMac keyboards, which come from with the computer. So this is like pretty similar. So of course you're gonna find a play pause button, which is under F1, and also you're gonna find a volume up, volume down button, and a mute button, home button, search button, power button, and of course I think if you want to use that button, you're gonna have to click a function key and then press that. So I'm gonna show you right now once I put the battery on that. So guys, I'm going to type something on the word. So let's see. Okay, this is not the fastest keyboard for everyone, so I think this keyboard is simple for if you want to use for, let's say, for web browsing, other stuff, but not for editing. Of course this is not the greatest keyboard for that, so I would not recommend for that. But if you're using for like something is pretty simple, then that's okay. Let's say I'm going to go to Google now. Let's go to Google now. Google Chrome. Now one of the goodest thing you're gonna find on this keyboard is that you're gonna have a shortcut, and to use that you're gonna have to press FN and then press let's say I'm going to Google homepage or Google search bar, and then you're gonna bring up Edge, and then I'm gonna press not this one, excuse me, not this one there. I'm gonna press search. Okay, and now it's not working, but yeah, there we go. Let's say I'm going Facebook. Yeah, that's that's good for if you wanna use for simple things. So guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to thumb this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.